Now squats. Ready? Squats. Go down. 1. 1. Good job. 2. Now you want to do deadlifts. Okay. Keep going. Yeah. Good job, Molly. Molly, what are you doing now? You're doing what? You're doing it like Daddy does? Molly, what? Are you doing it like Daddy? When he puts the weights on there? Huh? What? You gonna be my lifting partner? You gonna be my lifting partner? Yeah? Every day? Or just 3 times a week? Every day? Yeah? Okay. That sounds good. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Where's your nose? Where's your nose? No, that's your head. Molly. Where's your nose? Yeah, no, that's your mouth. Yeah, there it is. Good job. Molly, where's your belly? No, where's your belly? Pat your belly. Pat your belly. Yeah, there's your belly. How about, where's your ears? Where's your ears? Ears? Remember? Ears? Yeah, there's your ears. Oh. Okay, last one. Clap your hands. Clap your hands. Yeah, good job. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.